Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a soap dispenser drawer front on a Kenwood washing machine. If your drawer front is broken or has fallen off, then it'll need to be replaced. Safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. The next thing I'm going to do is to remove the whole dispenser drawer by pulling it out as far as it'll go, pressing the tab at the back to release it and lift out. To release the dispenser drawer front from the drawer itself, I just need to turn it upside down, and you can see that the front is held in place by these two tabs. So all I'm going to do is just use a flat-headed screwdriver to push down one of the tabs and hold it in position, while I can then release the other side, like so. You can now grab your new drawer front, put it into position and click it into place. I can then replace the drawer. Now, before you put the dispenser drawer back in, it's a good chance to clean both inside the housing and the drawer itself if necessary. To put it back, simply put it back in until you hear the click. So there we have it, one new soap dispenser drawer front fitted to this Kenwood washing machine. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.